I'm B16 and today I will be doing a tutorial on the domino double line effect. I did not invent this trick, but I've not also seen any tutorials on it, so I thought I would create one. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take 2 blue dominoes, and also you're going to need tape to make this trick work. If you don't have any with you, make sure to go get some. Okay, so what you want to do is take one of the blue dominoes and tape a vertical side of it so that half of the tape is on it and half of the tape is off. And then take another domino and place it on its like that and stick them together. Try to make no gap between the 2 dominoes. And then if there's remaining tape right here, just tuck it behind right here. So that falls when you knock it over. But it doesn't fall if you do it this way. So now just keep making some more of those. And always make sure you're doing the tape on the same side that you did previously. Like on that, I did it on the right side, so on this, I'll do it on the right side, not the left side. Again, try to make sure there's hardly any gap between this and this domino, because if there is, the flat sonomod won't work as well. Well, it will work, but it might not be as reliable. And then once you have 2, place the second one right next to the first one. Then just keep building. And I'm not sure if you can hear or not, but my brother's practicing the piano. In case you were wondering what that sound was. And you're probably thinking that it's kind of boring to watch me tape a bunch of dominoes, so I will skip forward for your sake. Okay, I've made 13 more, and I recommend not having just like 3 or 5 or 6, because you really can't see the trick work with that. I recommend making it at least like 8 dominoes. 8 units. This is what I call a unit. Okay, once you have that done, take a yellow domino and after the 3rd domino horizontally sticking up, 1, 2, 3, after that place it resting against the fourth one and lean it against another yellow domino. Then once you've done that, push your thumb onto this blue domino and knock over this blue domino. Then let go. And then take another blue domino and place it on that blue domino. Then take some more yellow dominoes and create a domino run leading up to the yellow domino that the other yellow one is leaning against. Okay, once you've done that, take two more yellow dominoes, place one on the corner of this blue domino, then place the other one on the corner of that yellow domino, and then adjust the camera a little bit. Take a blue domino on its face, lean another blue domino on the yellow Sonoma domino, like that, and then create a blue domino line. And if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. It really does mean a lot to me, and I'm really close to 200 subscribers. So, well, not really close, but I'm pretty close to 200 subscribers. So if you would hit that subscribe button, then once I reach 200 subscribers, I will host a contest. Okay, once you have finished that blue domino line, that's all there is to the trick. So, the way this will work is when I knock over this yellow domino, these dominoes will fall, knock out that yellow domino, causing that yellow domino that's leaning on that yellow domino to fall out, and this blue domino is leaning on that yellow domino, so it will fall and hit this blue one, which will hit that and that and that until it gets to the end with it when this has nothing to hit, so it will fall and hit the floor like that. And then, because it falls, it will trigger the Sonoma that was created by these dominoes falling, and then cause that yellow domino to fall, and that one to fall, and that one to fall, knocking over this blue domino and continuing the domino line. So I will knock it down in 3, 2, 1. Oh. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next tutorial.